Hello everyone, welcome to this session. I'm Simeon and I'm going to show you how to use the if statement to allocate grades to the student scores. Now assume that in your institution the grading system is as shown here, such that 80% and above is A, 60 to 79 grade B, 40 to 59 grade C, and below 40 is a fail. Do not enter the grades manually. For example, 76 is a B, 38 is below 40, so it's a fail. 85 is A. Don't do this. This will waste your time. Use the if statement. So in the first cell, write equals to if, open parentheses, and then uh, check the first cell containing the student score, which is cell C3. So it's greater than or equals to 80, comma, and that is grade A, comma, another if, parenthesis, the same cell C3, greater than or equals to 60, comma, and that's grade B. Next, the if statement, parenthesis, same cell C3, greater than or equals to 40, comma, that's grade C, comma, otherwise it's a fail. Okay, close the parenthesis and click enter. So see grade B has been allocated. Then to fill other cells, put your cursor at the lower right corner here and double click. You can see all the other grades have been filled. 38, for example, is below 40%, so it's a fail. 96 is an A. So that's how we use the if statement to allocate grades to the student scores. Let's meet next time.